Roblox Error 264 is a common connectivity issue that prevents players from joining games. It appears as failed to join game. The game is currently not available. Error code 264. Importantly, it's not a ban or account problem, but a temporary disruption caused by server overload, network instability, or game-specific issues. Fundamentally, Error 264 signals a failure in the connection between your client and Roblox's game servers. This can happen when a game's servers are full, your internet connection is unstable, there are firewall restrictions, or the game itself is under maintenance, including private servers with incorrect configurations. Outdated Roblox client versions or corrupted cache can also trigger Error 264. Roblox has been actively working on solving this problem since early 2025, but for now, you will need to solve it manually with the methods described in the next segment. First, simply restart Roblox. Close the app, reopen it, and try rejoining the game. This resolves approximately 70% of cases. Moving to the next step. Next, verify your internet connection. Test your speed, aim for above 10 megabytes%, reset your router, or try a different network. Next troubleshooting step. Disable any VPNs, as they often cause connection problems. Continuing with more steps, ensure Roblox is updated to the newest version through the official launcher. Next step in troubleshooting. Clear the Roblox cache by deleting the Roblox folder in Sent Local App Data % on Windows. Moving to final steps. If these steps fail, contact Roblox support with error logs or attempt joining the game from a different device. If you are a developer, optimizing your game scripts can help reduce server load and prevent this error from occurring for players.